Kate, we're right in the midst of this housing crisis. The economy's bad. People out there think that banks aren't lending, but you're here to debunk the myth for us. Address this issue.
Well, banks are lending right now, and the difference is before they were lending to people who probably shouldn't have gotten loans in the first place. Right. And so now banks are just lending to those who are qualified buyers, who have jobs, who have good credit, and those who are qualified to buy homes. So that is the myth right there, but it's not true. I mean, if you have jobs and if you have good credit, then you're qualified to buy a home.
So there you go. You heard it right from the man. Well, let's talk about people who already have a mortgage. Right now is a great time to refinance, especially here at Longhurst Mortgage. You guys have seen, like 80% of your business has been refinancing?
Yeah, it's been pretty amazing. I mean, rates have dropped substantially in the last few weeks. So those who are, are over 5% really should considering doing a refinance, because if you can save 1% in your interest rate, then you're going to recover the cost of doing the refinance, and you're going to save quite a bit of money. We also have another option called the no-cost refinance, where we roll all of the cost of the refinance into the rate. And so if you're saving 0.5% but not raising the principal balance of your loan or bringing a dime into closing, you're just saving monthly, so it's not a bad thing to do.
Definitely. So, if someone's out there, maybe think, the interest rate's dropping, but not by that much. It doesn't take a lot for you to save some money.
It certainly doesn't. I mean, especially if you keep your paying monthly what you were paying before, refinance to a lower rate, on the back end of your loan, you're going to knock, quite a few years off of your loan. It's sad to say, but you pay a lot of interest, and if you pay principal up front, you will knock a lot of years off your loan.
Yeah, so. I mean, saving even $100 a month, rolling over those years, it makes a difference.
Oh, it makes a huge difference. You'd be surprised. I mean, we'd be happy to run the numbers for everyone. So
yeah, so I mean, if people at home have questions, maybe it would work for me, maybe it wouldn't, you guys can help them out with that.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, just stop in or call us. We can set an appointment, or you can just give us the numbers over the phone and, give us 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll have numbers for you to let you know whether it's worth it or not. You'd hate to have it in the back of your mind always. Let's just find out for you.
Find out, and if it works, great. If not, then at least you know.
At least you know, exactly. Yeah.
And there's a lot of other programs you guys do here. You have a lot of different programs for first-time home buyers.
We do, yes. We have a lot of classes that we do for first-time home buyers just to educate them, because a lot of times they're not ready, but we want to head them off in the right direction so they know exactly what they need to do to get ready in 6 months or a year. Sure. And so they're ready. We do those, as soon as we get enough people for the class, or if there's individuals who just have questions, we'll be happy to meet with them.
And there's also that idea out there with first-time home buyers or people who are just looking to buy another home, that they need to save for a long period of time to put a big down payment on a mortgage, which is great if you've got a large sum at the beginning. But your idea is, don't wait, do it now. Don't wait, do it now.
I agree, because the rates are so low. If you save a year and put $5,000 to $10,000 down, but the rates go up to 5%, then you've just lost everything that you just saved in the interest rate. So the idea is do it now while the rates are low, and it'll be much better for you in the long run.
So basically, if you want to save up $10,000 and come in at this time next year, who knows what the interest rate could be then. It's better to come in now with zero down, and you'll end up saving money.
Absolutely. Yep, that's a smart thing to do.
Wow. So. And a lot of people don't even think about that.
No, they don't. Well, and it's not a bad thing to put a down payment down either. Sure. It's not bad. But if you can lock in an interest rate, 4%, you're way ahead of the game, as opposed to waiting a year and getting a 5% interest rate, and you just lost everything you saved. So
definitely. And another cool program you offer is the reverse mortgage. Tell us about that.
The reverse mortgage is a very good program for those who are over 62 years old. There's a lot of myths out there about the reverse mortgage that people don't understand. We do a reverse mortgage class where we educate those people who just have questions about them, and so they can make an educated decision on whether it's a good thing for them to do or not. But for those who are 62 and older and still making a house payment, you don't have to. On a reverse mortgage, you can just stop making the house payment and use that money to visit grandkids or many of the other things that you'd want to do as you're retired.
Start enjoying life again.
Exactly. I mean, you've worked hard for your whole life. You might as well start enjoying.
There you go. Well, tell people how they can get a hold of you.
We are at 270 North Main here in Logan, just behind the Rage. They can stop by anytime, or they can give us a call at 435-792-4663.
There you go. Don't wait. Do it now. If you've got questions on buying a home, doing the reverse mortgage, or refinancing, the guys at Longhurst Mortgage can help you out. We appreciate you talking with us.
Great, thank you.